Another day, another English lesson. Indefinite pronouns with some and any plus adjective. Hi everyone. Today, we're going to learn a quick and easy way to describe people, things, and places in English. I'm sure that you have heard indefinite pronouns like someone, something, somewhere, anyone, anything, and anywhere. These words are very common, and when you add an adjective after them, you can make short but descriptive sentences. Let's see how it works. We're going to learn how to combine these words with adjectives to describe people, someone nice, anyone special, things, something interesting, anything important, places, somewhere quiet, anywhere exciting. This lets you shorten sentences like, I want to meet someone who is kind, to simply, I want to meet someone kind. It's faster, easier, and sounds more like how native speakers talk. How does it work? Let's take a look. Describing people. Use someone or anyone plus adjective. Use someone in positive sentences and anyone in negative sentences and questions. Examples. I'm looking for someone friendly to talk to. Do you know anyone creative who can help with this project? Describing things. Use something or anything plus adjective. Examples. Let's watch something funny tonight. Is there anything new you want to try? Describing places. Use somewhere or anywhere plus adjective. Examples. I want to go somewhere relaxing for vacation. Do you know anywhere quiet to study? Why is this useful? Using these structures helps you sound more natural and fluent in English. Instead of saying long sentences like, I need something that is important, you can just say, I need something important. It's faster, easier, and sounds like how native speakers talk. More examples. Here are some examples of how people use these structures in real life. Do you know someone reliable to fix my car? I want to eat something spicy for dinner. Let's go somewhere beautiful this weekend. Now you know how to describe people, things, and places in a simple and natural way. Now, watch and complete the sentences with someone, something, somewhere, anyone, anything, or anywhere plus adjective. Use an adjective that is the opposite of the one in blue. One. From now on, I only want to work with hardworking people. I never want to work with anyone lazy again. 2. I don't want to talk to a person who is impolite. I prefer someone polite. 3. Yesterday I ate spicy food. Do they have anything mild on the menu? 4. I don't want to watch a movie that is sad. Let's watch something happy instead. 5. Last year we went to a place that was ugly on vacation. This year, let's go somewhere beautiful. 6. Let's try to find a house in a quiet neighborhood. I don't want to live anywhere noisy. Seven, I don't want to hire a person who is inexperienced. We need someone experienced for this job. Eight, I went to Hollywood, but I only met people who were unknown. Why didn't I meet anyone famous? Nine, I don't want to buy an expensive gift for my boss. I'm going to buy him something inexpensive instead. Ten, I don't want to eat food that is unhealthy. Does this store sell anything healthy? "11. Let's go to a club that's exciting. Don't take me anywhere boring." "12. I don't like going to places that are dangerous. I prefer somewhere safe." I hope you'll watch more worldwide ELT English language learning videos in the future. See you soon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.